Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can attach PDF documents to send emails and messages in the Thunderbird application. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to the Thunderbird app on your desktop computer and make sure that you're logged in with the associated email address, and if that's the case, click into compose a new message in the top left corner. That is going to open up that menu here. So you may, for example, start crafting your email here and by adding the recipient's email address, the subject, and so on and so forth. And as on most email providers, guys, here on Thunderbird, you will also be given the opportunity to attach files and documents to the sent email address, even if Thunderbird just connects you with your external email address. So it's not per se a newly created email address, but you can still manage your emails, send them, and as well attach files. So to that, click into this button or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-A, and after that simply locate the given file on your device as a PDF and send it by clicking into this button to your contact. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.